2020 F150 with active alarm. We're going to be programming this using the AutoProPad G2 today, so let's show you this process. So let's get inside. As you can hear, alarm is active. Up on the roof here, I got cardboard taped to the roof to cover the ultrasonic sensors. We're going to try to work on a more professional cover, but for now, this is what we got. So we're going to come over to our tool. We're going to go to immobilization. Sorry, trying to get a good angle for the glare. Immobilization, hit agree. We're going to go to Ford USA. We're going to go buy vehicle, smart key, F150, 15 to 20. And now we're going to select our all keys lost option, alarm active. And then it says open the driver's door, use the screwdriver to set the driver's door latch to the lock position. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So we have the driver's door latch. I'm going to go ahead and set that to the lock position real quick. Alright, so now that is set to lock. We're going to come back inside, hit OK. And now the first thing that we have to do is read EEPROM. And at this point we're going to have to disconnect the vehicle's battery, so I'm going to pop the hood latch, take a 10mm socket, we're going to pop the hood, and we're going to loosen the positive on the battery. And we're going to disconnect this and leave it to the side. Now the battery is disconnected. We're going to come back over to our tool. And hit OK. So it says, please reconnect the battery. If the vehicle's alarm is still activated, disconnect the battery, wait 10 seconds, and then reconnect. So if it's successful, the alarm should not be active once I reconnect the battery. So we're going to do that. And it turned on, and no alarm. So that's a good sign. We're going to go ahead and tighten our battery back on. Get it on there nice and snug. Close our hood. Come back over our tool. At this point we should try to be as quiet as possible as not to trip the ultrasonic sensor, so I'm going to try to keep it down a little bit. So it says tighten the battery and close the hood. We've done that. Hit OK. And at this point it's going to read the EEPROM data from the vehicle. This can take 3 to 5 minutes. I'm not going to make you guys watch the whole process. So we'll go ahead and probably skip through this once it's done. I'm going to pause the video for now. Alright, so I was waiting outside the vehicle. The alarm started going off, which is actually a good sign. It's supposed to do that once it completes reading the EEPROM. So we're going to come over to our tool. And since it's done reading the EEPROM, it's asking us to back it up. So I'm going to name it 2020 F150. Hit yes. Hit OK. And now we're going to go to learn keys. So at this point, the alarm is supposed to be active, and it says that. The vehicle is in an alarm state after pressing OK. Wait about 10 minutes. And then the vehicle's horn will beep 2 times. So just like you would on a normal active alarm Ford, you're just going to wait the 10 minutes, wait for the double honk from the vehicle, and then you're going to go through and program the keys. So from this point, it's going to be a normal process like we would normally see. I'm going to go ahead and wait out that 10 minutes. Not going to make you guys sit through that. Once we get the double honk, we'll go ahead and complete the programming. I wasn't able to get it on video, but the car did just double honk, so I'm going to come over to my tool. We're going to hit OK. Then we're going to hit learn keys again. We're going to select the EEPROM file that we saved. Hit yes. It says number of keys currently programmed is 2. Do you want to clear keys? I'm going to hit yes. So it successfully erased the keys. We're going to hit OK. It wants us to put the key inside of the programming slot, so I'm going to come over and grab my 2 keys. I have one of each for 3-button, 5-button for the 2 different frequencies. I'm not sure which one this vehicle takes, so I have one of each. And I'm just going to be giving the customer one. So our slot is right in the front cup holder here. I'm going to go ahead and drop my first key inside. We're going to hit OK. Door lock cycle. The first key was programmed. It needs one more. So I'm going to put my second key in and hit yes. Do you want to program another? Yes. Put it in the slot. OK. Double the door lock cycle, key programming successful. Do you want to program another? No. End of programming. So now we'll come back, check number of keys. Still 2, we just programmed 2 of them. So now remote on this key does not work, so it's going to be the 3-button. Remote works. And the car starts. So that's the whole process, guys. 2020 F150 active alarm, just in case there's any doubts. Get a good angle on this. What is it? 0120 F150. There you go.